even know where my dad or mom is. Never been a fan of animatronics. Can I get a grown-up to check out my closet? Just heard a noise, I don't know where it went. To the right or the left, is it under my bed? This must be a joke and it's all in my head. But what if I'm in hell and I'm already dead? Calm down, take it slow. Check the halls, listen close. Shut that door, better keep it closed. What's behind it, I don't wanna know. Fast-paced pizza, thought it was gone. Freddy and his friends are far from done. Did you hear that? Now here they all come. 5 long nights and I'm only on one.
Welcome home, girls and boys. Time to play with brand new toys. Nightmares lurk inside your mind. Now no place is safe to hide. You have nowhere to run, so why not join the fun? At night we come to life. Come closer, we don't bite.
I don't believe that for 1 second. Gonna keep my distance and I'll be pleasant. If you wanna be my